Menibia maremati da makigarira thini wa ituritiganite cia fururio rigatho cia mwanya kunyitana ithuĩ Jumatatu ya tariki 4 mweri wa Mugira njara nikio gabiro thaa 3 njitagwo Imwa Wanjiru mwena ũrĩa ũngĩ wa studio ũrĩa wĩkarĩire metha ya ũtaũri na njĩra ya ciĩko etagwo Sharon mwari wa gĩcũĩ na gĩtĩo kĩnene igwe mũnyiti ũgeni na rĩu turike mohori-inĩ maitũ maabitha a borithi nĩ maikĩtie ngono ekwĩro erĩ a wendia wa bangi na mithogoto 160 ya bangi ya mũigana wa shilingi 900 thiga na indo ingĩ itiganĩte. Kamanda wa borithi wa Kakamega niwe Vincent Cherotich akiugĩte ekũrĩa makoretwo magĩtabania biacara ĩno kwa ihinda.
Kwanza walikuwa na mbegu ya banki ambayo ilikuwa approximately kilo 40 na misokoto ya tayari ile ilikuwa imesokotwa ambaye mnaziona hapa 165 na banki yenyewe ya kilo 5. So ukiona hapa iko, nafikiri mmeona iko mbegu ambayo end product yake inashakwa alafu inauzwa itengeneze ile proceeds ambayo mara nyingi unasikia kwamba mara iko biscuit iko na mihadarati ndani na bei yake ni tofauti. So ukiona hapo iko yale mbegu ambaye bado ni raw na iko ile mbegu ambaye tayari imeshakwa ready for sale, na pia unaangalia iko zile brooms na ziko zile zimewekwa kwa chupa ambaye bei yake ni tofauti. Wakati watu wanapanda mahindi, unaona watu wanang'ang'ana kutengeneza Kenya seed ya mbegu ya bangi, na ni maajabu. Wakati ya rainy season unaona mtu anapambana kabisa, anapanda bangi na hatujaona nutritional value ya bangi. Nafikiri ukiangalia hii bangi si kidogo, na pia ukiangalia mbegu nilisema kwamba inatengeneza vitu ambaye pia inauzwa chini iende itengeneza vitu ambaye inakuliwa na watoto wetu. So street value ya hii bangi unaona hapa ni kama 950,000. Ukiona hiyo ratili ni yani mtu ako kwa biashara ambayo tayari yako na kila kitu. Akitoa hapa anajua hii ni gramu ngapi na anajua ni pesa ngapi. So akipelekea mteja tayari imekuwa sampled kwamba hii ni grams fulani, hii ni grams fulani. So wao wanamalizana pale, wanasitoa kwa shamba alafu unaona wana package. So mpaka wana package wanajua ni, so ikipelekewa tu mwenye anauza ni kwamba ako tayari tu kuuza, kuna kazi nyingine anafanya. Kama hii si local consumption per se, hii bangi huenda mbali. Zile unasikia bangi imepatikana sehemu ya Mombasa, Nairobi, ni hizi tu unaona inatengenezwa hapa, na pia ya local consumption hapa pia itaenda tu kwa watoto wetu. Lakini hasa ukiangalia kiwango ya hii na vile inapimwa na vile wako na kila kitu, hii inamaanisha soko ni ya mbali.
Tukiuma kaunti yo tugure kaunti ĩngĩ kũrĩa thirikari ya kaunti ya Embu nĩrugũrĩte mũbango wa madaktari mashinani ũrĩa ũtanyĩtwo gũtwara madagĩtarĩ icagi-inĩ ithenya-inĩ rĩa kũgacĩrithia motungata ma ũrigiti. Abitha wa ũrigiti nĩwe Henry Nthiga nĩwe wĩkĩrĩte ũhoro mũkonde arĩ thibitarĩ-inĩ wa Embu level 5.
Unajua, mkinipe ofisi hii nikishirikiana na gavana na viongozi wengine, barabara mnajua hizi mbali kwa county na
omunde tole guko ya sub county nundu wa muvango tuleta madaktari mashinani initiative outreach. Andu menge makoretwe mariketwe mandikagirwa clinics iria magendaga kuona mandagitari mbara manene winde ni tuonete kwa andu maralemererwa nundu labda ni maumite kurasa muno na kuria makuthi kuona consultants ni kurasa. Leo tugikara ndi asa county na tuli department ya health tukivanga ni tugutwara services icio kana motungata macio ma consultants vakuve na wananchi.
We have learned a lot. Kitu moja tunaweza kuwa na so many people unreached because those numbers were worrying, na tumelearn not every patient tunamrefer anaenda. people wako na changamoto ya kutosha. Most likely these people refused to go to the level 5 due to lack of finances, because actually those patients wenye tumeona leo, all of them were referred in one way or the other to either level 4 ama level 5, lakini hawaku manage kwenda. So we've learned that our community iko na a lot of challenges.
Nĩ ndakena mũno nĩ ũndũ wa kũreherwo ndagĩtarĩ gũkũ hakuhĩ na ithuĩ, na nyuma na thĩna wa mũgongo, na onoria ndagĩtarĩ na arĩa maragũteithia kũrĩa ũgũthiĩ nĩ ndateithĩka mũno, kinya ndĩraigua nĩ ta ndagĩa na ũhonio.
Nĩ njokeirie outreach ĩno nĩ gũka gũtũrehera mandagĩtarĩ marĩa tũtahotaga kuona specialist to mũthĩ tuma na specialist wa ciana, na niĩ nĩ ndona services icio nĩ njega, na ngũhoya kaingĩ mũkage mũno mũno nĩ ũndũ aciari arĩa mena thĩna wa ciana cina mawathe nĩ matihotaga gũkinya na kũu nĩ ũndũ wa kwaga mbeca cia gũtũkinya Embu. No mwĩyaha nĩ tũigane wega na Ngai amũrathime na mũkage kaingĩ na kaingĩ.
Wakati mwingi ambao tunafanya huko manyumbani tunapata challenge nyingi sana. Wakati tunahudumia wagonjwa nyumbani, tunapata wengine hawezi fika kwa hospitali kwa sababu ya challenges. Wengine hawana pesa, na leo tumefurahi sana tukishukuru Wizara ya Afya pamoja na serikali ya kaunti kwa kuleta hii huduma karibu na sisi.
acio magithia ukenera motungata macio ma urigiti thirikari ni yambikite uthuthuria wa ikuũ cia ciana kumana na aflatoxin. Anyiti itemi a ũgima wa mwĩrĩ arĩa marĩtie marĩ kũrĩa Kilifi maugĩte nĩ uthuthuria ũgwĩkwo na njĩra ya kũhũthĩra tekinoronjĩ nĩguo kũhĩtana na ikuũ ici.
One of these issues that we think is underlying this slowing in progress is this challenge of aflatoxins and how they impact child health in terms of their immunity, in terms of their nutritional status, and in terms of their survival ultimately. Aflatoxins are compounds which many of us are familiar with already. They contaminate the food that we have on our tables every day. In Kenya, almost every household relies on grain, particularly maize, in the form of ugali, in the form of porridge, in the form of githeri, as a staple food. And aflatoxins are one of the contaminants that affect these grains. What we are learning now from new evidence is that the effects of aflatoxin can extend to impacting the effectiveness of some of these very interventions that have been responsible for some of the progress we've seen, particularly vaccines and how children respond to vaccines that are administered through our routine Ministry of Health program.
Exposure ya aflatoxin inaanzia ndani ya mama akiwa na aflatoxin na ni mjamzito, ile aflatoxin inaingia kwa mtoto ambaye anakuwa. Kwa hivyo ile exposure inaanza kwa mama mjamzito. Ule mtoto akizaliwa, yale maziwa ya mama pia yana aflatoxin. Mtoto anapata ile aflatoxin. Akiwa weaned miezi 6 anapatiwa uji ama ugali ama chochote, vyakula vingi vina aflatoxin. Na mtoto si kama mtu mzima, kila stage ya mtoto anakuwa. Kwa hivyo mtoto si kama mtu mzima. Saa zingine ile aflatoxin inakuwa juu zaidi, saa zile viungo zingine za mwili zinakuwa. Kwa hivyo effect ya mtoto ni kubwa. Effect ya mtoto ni kwamba anapata kutoka kwenye mimba mpaka akiwa mkubwa. Okay? Hata ingawa anakula ugali kidogo, uji kidogo, maziwa kidogo, lakini ile impact ni kubwa.
No policy can work without the people themselves wanting to implement the policy. You have to have that attitude that this is good for me, I need to change. So behavior change is important, and it's for us as researchers is creating awareness, telling you what actually is happening.
Nayo ngwatanĩro ya ũgendi bũrũri-inĩ nĩ ĩtarĩirie mwĩhoko wao wa atĩ mũciĩ wa Naivasha nĩ ũgũtuĩka mũciĩ wa ũgendi ica ikuhĩ kũrĩa itũngano, mĩcemanio, ciũngano na monanio manene marĩa matabanagĩrio. Naivasha oho rĩu nĩ yũĩkaine makĩria kuona mahenya ma ngari nĩkuo matabanagĩrio ma WRC.
The biggest contributor now to the tourism market is MICE, which is the meetings, incentives, conferencing and events. And where we are standing here, this is Naivasha, which is now the upcoming resource city in this country, where people come here for meetings. And Nakuru County is favored and well positioned to host MICE wherever people are coming from, whether it's international MICE or it's domestic MICE. We are ready. Because of the tourism that we have here, we have both MICE tourism, we have leisure tourism, and we also have agri-tourism because of the flower farms that are around here. So as the chairman of the Naivasha Municipality Board said, we are harnessing this together now. We want to package it very well to make sure that Naivasha become that real resource city. I am a fund with a collects the 2% levy has supported us and supported the industry. I know they are complementing what Kenya Utalii College is doing. Twice we have done refresher courses with them. We just finished one a few months ago at Morindat, that's less than 2 months ago. We also did another one at Rift Valley Institute of Business of Technology in Nakuru. So they are coming to, but that is not enough. We want to encourage them because if they are getting more from us, they should also give us more. As much as we want the whole country to benefit, but they should look at us with that eye that this is the cow that's giving us more milk.
We appreciate the support of the industry, all the hotels in Naivasha, Mara region, Central and North Rift for having consolidated about 247 participants that we have just graduated. These people are working in various hotels, and the reason as to why we are doing this is to enhance the customer experience and also to support the ministry and the government at large in realizing the 5.5 million visitors by 2027. It's good for other counties and other regions also to support their facilities, or counties can be able to identify and come to Kenya Utalii College. We will be able to come there and train you, because we are not only training for the benefit of money, but we are saying that we have to train people. Any visitor who lives Nairobi and had a good experience in Nairobi, when it comes to Naivasha, goes to Migori, goes to Turkana, should be able to have the same experience, because Kenya is known to be the leading destination in terms of customer service.
Nigatho hau twakinya tuguko tugikiria oro hanini turacokerera kogo ndugetikire gutegetura mitambo.
Ino ni station ya Kiheo TV, kihumo kia witikiriku. Wagacoke nĩ tũrathane na wandatha ndigũthĩnjĩra nĩ ndukũ inya cia tabarĩra yaku ĩrĩa wendete ya gwĩceka tũciongereire mwago nĩguo we na kũmboeka mũikare mũraihanĩrĩirie hashtag inya cia gũkwagĩrithĩria mĩthenya yaku. Monday nĩ hashtag vibe, mũthenya wa kerĩ nĩ gũtaũkwo na kũmenya ciĩgiĩ mũcani ũcio ũgũcanjamũraga thĩinĩ wa hashtag tumenye msanii
sana languages. Tukienda sasa hizi zingine za mathematics, sciences.
Naguo mũthenya wa Wednesday nĩ hashtag kĩũndũ kĩa mwanya oyatia, twagũtarĩria maũndũ ũtoĩ ũtarĩ waigua na marĩa ũĩ ũtoĩ gĩtũmi kĩamo. Nĩ ũĩ rũĩ rũrĩa rũteng'eraga mũno thĩinĩ wa Afrika, nĩ ũĩ rũĩ rũrĩa rũteng'eraga thĩinĩ wa thĩ yothe. aramithi ni matene
yani
matu maundu maria mahanikaga tene na marathi mariganeire tugikuririkania niguo ndukariganirwo nimo
tikagwiga fita nikiwaria gitoitwa nyoni tataika nyone
nigwiceka tabarira iria igukinyagira o muthenya kwambiriria thaa 9 cia hwaini thiini wa Kiheo TV ugitelefoni waku utagutiga kada iheo kiri MC Kiheji wa Gitawa. Guru wa Jewel Institute of Advanced Driving toekaine ni kuruta matereva a gikiro kia iguru mari na uigiririki munene farafaraini. Jewel Institute of Advanced Driving turutanaga utereva wa ikiro ciothe. Class A ni utereva wa fikifiki na tuk-tuk, Class B utereva wa gari nini, Class C utereva wa marori na Class D ni utereva wa gari cia ukui wa muigi. Urutani witu wa utereva ni wa kurumanirira na mutaratara mweru wa NTSA na warikia kothi tugaguteithiriria kwigira na smart driving license. Ni undu wa uhoro makiria ndukamairirie gutucerera wabici citoro Esambu nyumba-ini ya Jewel Complex gorova ya gatano barabara-ini nene ya Thika Super Highway kurigania na TRM kana utuhurire thimu kugerera 0703 164003 0703 164003. Jewel Institute of Advanced Driving, drive with confidence. O muthenya wa kiumia kwambiriria thaa 3 cia rucini nyitanagira na ithuĩ Kiheo TV tugikurehera igongona ria kiumia kuma kanitha-ini wa Jesus Winner Ministry Roysambu Nairobi. Kiugo kia Ngai na utungata wa Roho Mutheru.
Yes. When favor is upon you, hata security iko juu yako. Security hiyo ni kumaanisha hata mushawi na mugaka hawatakuweza.
Ni o kiumia kwambiriria thaa 3 cia rucini mutambo-ini wa Kiheo TV, kihumo kia witikiriku.
Bwana Yesu yuko ndani yangu leo, amukomeze, amukomeze, amukomeze. Swende hivi. Give it to me. I know my Yesu, I know my God.
Ino ni station ya Kiheo TV, kihumo kia witikiriku.
Thĩinĩ wa ikereka ritũ rĩa kerĩ tũmũrĩke marĩa mangĩ matigarĩte kĩondo-inĩ gitũ kĩa mohoro. Kenya ĩratũmĩra mabilioni ma mbeca harĩ kũgũra ũkĩ kuma mabũrũri-inĩ mangĩ na kũratuĩka rĩu a Kenya no mahũthĩre mweke ũyũ kũhĩmbĩria kana kũhĩmbĩria ũrĩmi wa ũkĩ nĩguo mone onao magunĩke na bũrũri wĩ wothe kuona mbeca rĩu iria icokaga o mĩhuko-inĩ ya a Kenya.
A lot of honey that is consumed in this country is actually imported from the neighboring countries. So it is true we have a shortage of honey. Our demand for honey is actually higher than what we produce as Kenyans. But the bigger reason why we support beekeeping and professional beekeeping is because we have an understanding of the role of the bee in the food production endeavor. The bees play a very critical role, the role that we call pollination. It is the bees and other insects that do pollination of crops. Therefore, by supporting beekeeping, we are also supporting food production. And as you all know, we need to be food secure as Kenyans, and that is why we are so committed to supporting beekeeping. I would like to call upon all Kenyans. You all know that we are farmers and we do a lot of agriculture in this nation. I would like to ask all the farmers to actually learn more about beekeeping.
Atongoria a kaunti ya Kwale ni moritio guthondeka barabara niguo gutigirira arimi ni marakinyia magetha mao thoko-ini. Atongoria maugite ni wega gukorwo na unyitaniri wa thirikari ya kaunti na thirikari nene niguo wira uyu ukorwo ni urarutika na njira njagiriru.
Unajua, mkinipe ofisi hii nikishirikiana na gavana na viongozi wengine, barabara mnajua hizi mbali kuwa kaunti nasukuma kwa gavana, pia tasukuma kutoka serikali kuu. Si unajua? Kuna barabara za serikali kuu, sio? Kwa hivyo tutapigana. Tulijaribu hata hii wakati tulikuwa tunapigana serikali iliyopita tupate, nafikiri mliona barabara nyingine ilipimwa pale. Mliona timu ilipimwa, sio? Tulipigana wakati tulikuwa tukifanya sub county ndio tulipigana. Kwa hivyo mkiniweka huko najua itakuwa na nafasi ya kwenda kwa rais pia. Alafu ile za huko chini niko na gavana, sio? Mkileta wafadhili huko akaweka kiwanda hapa atatengeza barabara lori zake zifike. Si unaelewa? Kuna vitu inakuja automatic.
Ni kitu cha kusikitisha kama bwana Deti tunasema wewe tutakupeleka kule utuletee hizi pesa ili tuweze kuzitumia vizuri. Barabara hazipitiki na hii sehemu yetu ni sehemu ya ukulima. Kama barabara haipitiki inamaanisha kile ambacho umevuna hakiwezi kwenda sokoni. Kama kuna soko linajengwa kwa miaka 5 halijaiva na kila siku tuambua soko litaiva, hii kubo litakusaidia kweli? Na mwenye jukumu nani? Ni serikali ya ugatuzi.
Nĩ ngatho atikĩrĩ ũndũ ũngĩ hau nĩho tũgũkorwo tũgĩkĩrĩra gaturumo mohoro maitũ ma Kĩoga Birũ thaa ithatũ. Ngatho cia mwanya gũtũcagũra, gũtũtegera matũ, gũtwĩhokera mathaa maku na kũrĩ njeshi yakwa ya nguvu ĩrĩa yatigĩrĩra mohoro maya nĩmaukia na njĩra igwete. Mũtwathĩri na njĩra ciĩko Auma Sharon mwarĩ wa Gĩcũhĩ, njĩtagwo Irimwa Wanjirũ, araika na Ngai marokũgitĩra ũtukũ wa ũmũthĩ. Ũroko matakana nĩ ngwendete no nake Ngai aikwenda ona makĩria.